Ready to cook. Okay, in this skillet we're going to fry onions. Already got a little bit of grease in them. Okay, on these onions to make them caramelize, we're going to put a little garlic powder on them. Onion powder. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. Then we're going to turn them down on low and let them cook. Okay, let's stir our onions up. And 3 teaspoons of beef bouillon powder. Thyme. Hold on a minute, I gotta go turn that thing down. It's my video playing in the background. Okay, we put thyme in there. We took about 2 teaspoons. Okay, we got some sage. One teaspoon. One teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Take out, we got two tablespoons of cornstarch and a little bit of water. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of mustard in here. 1 teaspoon. Six tablespoons of butter. You can put 2 tablespoons of sugar on it, but I'm not. I'm leaving that out. Now, when we get ready to make our gravy for this, then we'll add our cornstarch. And now we're going to add a little bit of vinegar in here. Like a tablespoon. That's red wine vinegar. Okay, we're going to finish letting these cook. And while they're cooking, we're going to cook some peas. Sugar snap peas. And then we're going to fry some hamburger. Okay, we got a little bit of grease. It's hot. Okay, to our sugar snap peas, we broke both ends off, got the strings off, and now we're going to put them in here. You just want them fork tender. Between 5 and 10 minutes, all you have to cook these. A little bit of salt. Get them all coated. Put a lid on them. And when you get them out, you put salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder on them. Okay, in our hamburger, we're going to put onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper. That's it. Okay, I'm going to pour a cup of water in here. Let these steam for about 5 minutes. And they should be done since they've got brown on them. They got enough brown on them now. Be back with you. Okay, to the onion gravy, we're going to pour our mixture in here, cornstarch and water. We're going to let our gravy thicken up a little bit. Four ounces of water. Okay, we're going to put this on 3 and let it go a little bit cook low. Now we're going to put this on 2. We're going to check on our peas again. Fork tender, that's what you want. Okay, we're going to turn these down on 3. I think our onion gravy is done. See how thick it is? Okay, let's put this meal together. Okay, this is how we're going to serve it tonight. There you go. That's how we're going to serve it. There's Ronnie's. Okay. Mmm. Peas are good. Now the gravy and the hamburger. Oh my God, you gotta make this. Thanks for watching. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Push the like and subscribe button if you ain't already. Share this recipe with your friends and family. And thanks everybody. This is our homegrown peas. We got them out of the garden. Thanks. Sugar snap peas.